Let's learn English. My class, your class.
Today's lesson, my family. Hi, I am Grace, and today I would like to introduce you to my family. This is my mother, Lucy. This is my father, Paul. These are my siblings. My sister Anne and my brother Peter. These are my grandparents. My grandpa Joseph and my grandma Linda. These are Aunt Sarah, Uncle Tom, and my cousin Bella. This is Aunt Meg and her daughter Mary. She is my cousin too. These are Aunt Helena and Uncle Jerry, and Phil, their son. Phil is my cousin too. And this is my cat Mimi. She is amazing. Now let's review the family members. Mother. Repeat after me. Mother. Father. Repeat after me. Father. Siblings. Repeat after me. Siblings. Sister, it's your turn. Sister. Brother, it's your turn. Brother. Grandparents. Repeat after me. Grandparents. Grandma. Repeat after me. Grandma. Grandpa. Let's repeat. Grandpa. Aunt, repeat after me. Aunt. Uncle, repeat after me. Uncle. Cousin. Repeat after me. Cousin. Daughter. Repeat after me. Daughter. Son. Please repeat after me. Son. Our pet is a cat, so repeat after me. Cat.